In this of our this will be the last, like I said, this is going to be the last video concerning this of our pandas data frame. There's still a whole lot of things that we are supposed to cover, but I want to stop here because the video is becoming too long, almost going to 30 something videos. I can be get bored for some people that don't like long videos, but with everything we have covered up to this point, you're able to learn a whole lot of things, how to actually manipulate and structure your data. You can see that, like I said at the beginning, that it's not going to be hard. Only what it's going to be, it can be a little bit tricky. It doesn't mean that it's going to be hard. Likewise, if you followed this my data analysis, make use of pandas in Python programming language up to this point, you can see that you will not have any problem when you want to structure your data. There are still other prerequisites that requires, but with this your data should be good to go. If you can master all these things that I talked about in this our pandas data frame, if you can look at it, watch it over and over, you can see that you get a whole knowledge of how you can structure your data in the right way. So this should be the end of our pandas. I can see our data analysis by making use of pandas in Python programming language. So after this of our pandas data, after this of our data analysis by making use of pandas, I wanted us to look at NumPy, but let's also just move head on to machine learning. Then on that of machine learning, I'm going to explain some things about NumPy, because you know that pandas were built on top of NumPy. So some of the things that we actually done on this of our pandas is applicable to that of the NumPy. So there's no need of me starting from afresh to do for that of NumPy. If you can understand these pandas really well, you will not have much issue when it comes to that of the pandas. So in the next video, what I'm basically going to do is to dive into that of the machine learning tool. We're going to make use of mainly two libraries, or I can say two frameworks, which are the sklearn and for that of TensorFlow. These two libraries, we are going to make use of this two library to process our data and do some other things that actually to predict, because end game of machine learning is actually to predict, to make a predictive model that can predict something. And after that, we're going to do a whole lot of other things. We're going to incorporate automations and that of web development onto it. So I think with this, everything we have done about concerning just our data analysis, you're able to gain a whole lot of knowledge from it, because that's the main key thing that we're interested in, get information from it. So if there's something that say confusing you on this of data analysis, let me know in the description down below. You can still reach out to me in my email. I'll definitely give you a reply as soon as possible. So I think with this, we've come to the end. And if you have not subscribed, I wonder what you are waiting for. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. You can also like, you can also share with your friends. I know that I might have a friend who is struggling with data analysis, or can maybe try to analyze and present the data, his or her data properly. So you can share with your friend who might be interested. I know there are a lot of them that are interested, so make sure to share it. So I'll be happy to see you in the next part section of this of our data analysis, which is going to be our machine learning. So I'll be happy to see you there. Thank you for watching.